Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we are going to install our Wamp server for localhost, and I will explain why I'm doing that. So whenever we create a website, we need a domain. What is domain? Domain is a name of your website. For example, if we open incern.org website, you can see that incern.org is a name. So for example, hamariweb.com is a name, google.com is a name, facebook.com is a name. So that's the name. So that name is called domain name. And the other thing which we want is the hosting. So this is only a name. Okay, so for this content, if we want to place these content somewhere, we need a space, we need a you can say virtual hard disk anywhere on the web. So we need a hosting and a domain. Hosting will keep our files which we will create, which we will program, or the WordPress files which will lie there in the hosting, or you can assume it like a hard disk, which in a hard disk we have lot of files. So similarly, this is an online hard disk. Hosting is an online hard disk where we will keep our files, and then the domain name will show that file, that website available on that address, okay, on that hosting. So for the hosting and domain, we need to purchase them. Okay, so there are a lot of like GoDaddy.com, HostGator.com, Bluehost.com, and one of my favorite is Namecheap.com. Namecheap is recommended by me, and it has a very nice speed, and there you will not face any issue with the speed, and a lot of other things are very awesome regarding to this Namecheap provider. So here you can see that you can search for your domain, whatever domain you want. For example, you need a domain like Pakistan, and you will search, and you will get the result that Pakistan is available or not, and hopefully it will not be available. And you can see that pakistan.gg is available, but .com or .go or are available like pakistan.online, etc. So the thing is that you can search the domain, and then you can get that domain, and normally the domain costs you around $9 to $10 or $15. Okay, and the other thing is hosting, and if we click on shared hosting, that is the cheapest one, you can see that this is around $2 per month, so around $24 yearly. And so you have to pay $24 for the hosting, and $10 to $15 for the domain name. Okay, and then you can start your website. So this will be your initial investment, around $30 to $40. Okay, and then okay, so that's it. So now for the purpose, so for example, if we just purchase a domain and purchase a hosting, and we can upload, we can start creating our website online. And for now, for example, we don't have money, and we want to create our website on our local computer, and then after a month or 2 months, when we will have the money, we will upload that website. We will purchase the domain hosting, and we will upload that website. Okay, so in this course I will just explain both of two methods, so in which we will create our website on local host, on the local computer, and then we will migrate that website online as well. Okay, so we will see every step throughout this process. So now we need site on our local computer. How we will do that? So for that purpose, because these CMS systems are based on PHP and SQL, and normally on the normal system you can't see the PHP code rendered or compiled here on the web page. So for that purpose we need a server or a host. So we will write here Wamp server, because Wamp server is for the window. Okay, if you have Mac you can install Wamp, and if you have Linux you can install Xampp server. Okay, so Xampp server is cross platform. You can install it on the Windows as well and any other computer, any other operating system. So here we are on this website. Start using Wamp server, and here you can see that our system is 64-bit. We will click here, and then we will have these informations. You can definitely fill out these informations, or you can click on this link, and now you will see that our Wamp server will be downloaded, hopefully in some seconds. So let's wait for some second, and I will run the Wamp server, and then we will see that how it will work. And in the next video we will properly start creating our website. So the first thing is that we need to download this thing, and then we will definitely install it and configure it. And the other thing is the WordPress. So if you will type WordPress here on the Google, you will find out the download section. You can open it, and also the some introduction to the WordPress. So if you click here, you can see welcome to the world's most popular website builder, and you will see a lot of details here, and you will see that with stylish themes and patterns, build anything with WordPress.com, effortless editing, and your home on the web, and a lot of other things you can explore. Okay, also WordPress provide hosting as well, but if you will create your website on this hosting, your domain name will be like this. Okay, so we don't need it, and we need a pure hosting, and we need a pure website with our own domain name without any extra extension. So here you can see that on the download page you can click on get WordPress here, and then you will find out the download, install and install it yourself section, where you can click on this button, and it will the WordPress package will be downloaded. And the other thing is installation guide. So you can click here, and you will find out the installation guide as well. Okay, so you can explore this thing as well, and you will find a lot of things here as well. Okay, so now next video we will move further, and we will install Wamp server, and also we will install our WordPress package as well.